Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're showing you how to make a case for your scissors as a DIY project. With this case, your scissors become portable so you can carry them anywhere you go. What we need is 2 pieces of fabric of 7 by 10 inches, pins, scissors, an iron, and thread of any color. So the first thing we're doing is facing to the right side the 2 pieces of fabric and pin them together. If you want to watch more tutorials like this one, you can go to our website 123dreamit.com and discover many different hacks we prepared for you. We're sewing to a 1/2 inch of the edge and leave a stitchless side of 3 inches. In here, we're sewing everything with a straight stitch. Don't forget we're letting 3 inches stitchless. When we're getting closer to the edges, we're making a pivot stitching. Then, carefully, we're cutting the corners. Now, we're turning inside out the case, shaping the corners. So we iron the case to flat the seams. It's important to iron every time we do all these kind of projects, so we have better results when finishing. We're folding one of the corners, forming a triangle. And then, we're ironing to mark the fold. Then, we're folding the other corner using the triangle as a guide. And again, we iron it. Now, we're folding back the last corner and iron all the case together. As you can see, we have a cone shape with 3 little bags. If you want to, you can fold the last corner to give a good looking to the case, and so iron it. We're straight stitching very close to the edge to sew the bags. And don't forget to backstitch. With this stitching, the 3 bags are ready now. In here, we're adding a button to give it a nicer touch. And it's ready now. Finally, you can use it to keep safe your scissors. Enjoy your new skills and give scissors case a try on your next project. If you're a YouTube subscriber, don't forget to visit our website 123dreamit.com. You can find the link in the box down below, where you can find many categories and sewing hacks. Please do hit the thumbs up button if you learned something new today. And remember, practice makes better.